So like we discussed the thin CPR, when we see the top CPR line, the pivot point and the bottom CPR line, they are closely packed with each other. It is termed as thin CPR. The less is the distance between these three lines, we get a thinner CPR. And there it also comes with a characteristic. So what are the characteristics? Point number one, whenever we see a thin CPR in the morning session, we will see this straight at 9:15. When we see a thin CPR, there is a probability that market will be trending today. I have already told you what is trending market. It basically says the market will go in a certain direction, up or down. So there is a high probability that market will be trending because of the thin CPR. It is a characteristic. Yeah. Point number two, because the three lines are packed together with each other, there is a high probability that for price action candle, it will be easier to penetrate it. The resistance and support will be less. Thin CPR is not very good support and resistance provider to the market. So here is a chart explanation for a thin CPR looking at Nifty 50 indices 3 minutes time frame, and you can see with a gap up, price action candle started coming in one direction. It was going down, and look at the fall from here till here, almost 350 points fall. Yeah, and we took this information in the morning. Yes, with a probability we took this information in the morning with a thin CPR. Please understand, less is the width of CPR, more so thinner CPR, you see a thinner CPR, then there is a high chances that it will be a trending day. Yeah.